Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today the look I created is this one, and if you guys want to know how I created this look, please go ahead and continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notification bell too, so you guys don't forget or miss my videos. I have been working very hard to create a content for you guys that you guys like, and if you do, please comment below and let me know what other videos would you like me to post. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. If there is any, I did wash my face this morning and I kind of deep going to go ahead and moisturize my lips. It's a beautiful day outside, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Spread it all over your eye, so that way we get a smooth finish of our eyeshadow. And the reason why I like to use TV paint sticks or the concealer as the primer is because it gives a different look. Because I have tried it with a primer and I have tried it with the concealer, but I like to finish with concealer. Alright, the palette I'm going to use is this one. It is by Morphe, and I will link the palette name down below because I have used it, or I don't know what happened to the label though, but I'll put it down below. And the first color I'm going to get is this one. And then I'm going to take that on a very fluffy brush and then just move it all around my eye and give it a coverage. Just like that. It's a very neutral color. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference. Brush that I'm using is this one. It doesn't have to be any specific brands, guys, as long as it's fluffy brush like this. Will work for me. And the color I'm going to use is this one, the one next to this one. I'm going to start in the corners of my eyelid. Just bring it in. Holding the brush with a very light hand or towards the end of the brush will give you a smooth eyeshadow, as you're not pressing too hard on the brush or applying the eyeshadow very hard. And that will also prevent you from having a hard line that are hard to blend in the end. It's a very soft hand. You guys can take a little notch up, but not right over here, just to create a little illusion that it's going up, but not so much, so that way it blends into your eyebrows. And then the next color I'm going to take is this one, and I'm going to smoke it out. That I'm going to use in the middle is this one, because I don't want to go too dark in the middle, and I'm going to use my fingers because for some reason I get better application with fingers in the middle than brush. And if you notice, if you see, I'm just dabbing. I'm not going in the, let me show you. I'm just dabbing like this to create an eyeshadow. You can also go like that, but it will give a lot more shimmer, I would say. But like I said, I don't want too much shimmer, just a tiny bit. And also I'm afraid if I swipe my finger across my eye to merge the color, I'm afraid it will get merged into the other ones that I have done, so probably not. So I'm going to go ahead and take a brush like this. Like again, it doesn't have to be the same brand, same brush. If you have anything that looks just like that, that will work. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and take this color, go under my eye, just a tiny tad to give brush like that. Take this color right here and just go over the color I had just to remove any excess or any fallout that has happened under my eye. Not too close to my lower lash line. Second top color. And then again, take any fluffy brush and merge these two together so they look like they are twins, not enemies. Voila! Perfect. As you can see, they're blending in. Setting spray. And guys, I really love how this look just came through. That's how I do my eyebrows, just covering the spots that I'm missing, because when I was getting my eyebrows threaded one time in Los Angeles, somebody took it. That's how I do my tight line on top, because I can never hold my eyebrows or my eyelashes like that and then get it done. The palette I'm using is from color Pop, and it's a very, very old palette. Here is the complete look.